going to the office. $9:06. So it's done? Or this just started?
It's just started. Let's go.
Just gonna change now?
Okay. I'm ready.
Okay. Good morning. It's a beautiful day.
I slept because my earplugs.
Good job.
Yeah.
Okay, gonna change now too.
Right.
Because we're gonna go to our pastry and donut.
Yeah, pastry and scones. No.
Pastry and scone. Okay. Hey guys, good morning. Tara, samahan nyo kami at tayo ay pupunta ng office at free nga tayo ngayon? Free scone and breakfast. That's it, Rick. You're done?
Yeah.
Then okay, let's go. Let's go, guys. Tingnan nyo ang araw na to. Ang ganda. At yan, isasarado muna ni Richard ang aming bahay. Yung hindi pa nakakapaghilamos gaya ng iyong itsura. Hindi pa nakapaglagay na. Tingnan. Look at that, honey, the sky. It's really beautiful. Kung nakikita nyo guys, sa loob ng office may gym sila, may yan yung mga tour at laundry. Tsaka napakaganda guys, no? Look at that. Yung bathroom din nila guys, napakalinis, kaya siya mahal. Yeah, this one is enough for me. We're gonna eat now guys. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.